Turn your leftover corned beef and cabbage into egg rolls. I'll show you how, and even throw in a bonus recipe for a Guinness teriyaki dipping sauce. Welcome to Cooking with Chris, the YouTube channel where I show you some of my favorite recipes. Subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Gather your leftover corned beef, carrots, cabbage, and even potatoes if you want. The only other things you'll need are egg roll wrappers and an egg. Well, egg wash. Crack it and beat it. First, mix up all your ingredients. The veggies, the corned beef all chopped up into little pieces, and the potatoes. Mix it all up, and then you can assemble the egg rolls. You want a corner facing you. Put a quarter cup of the filling into the middle of the wrapper and take the bottom corner, fold it over the filling, and tuck it under just a little with a slight roll. Then you want to grab the sides and fold those in and continue to almost finish the roll before sealing that final corner with some egg wash. Then move on to the next one. The filling, corner of the bottom roll, cover with the bottom corner, grab the sides, roll, and seal. I think I ended up with about 12 egg rolls. Now these are the full-size egg roll wrappers, by the way, not the wonton wrappers, which are a little smaller, and you find these in the refrigerated section in your grocery store. You also want to move pretty quickly too. When the wrappers start to dry up, they can tear pretty easily. Don't take them out of the fridge until you're ready to roll. Literally. They can stay out for about 30 minutes once wrapped. Any longer, you probably stick them back in the fridge or freeze them if you want to do this next step another day. They will be fried in about 3 inches of oil, and you want it at 350 degrees. Grab one of these. You'll probably find it in the bottom of your drawer. If you can't find it, look again. I bet you it's way down in the bottom of that drawer. If not, tongs will work too. Gently lay them into the oil and cook for just a few minutes aside. You don't want them to get too dark, like my first batch. The second batch tasted a lot better. Drain them onto a paper towel and keep them on a rack on a rimmed cookie sheet. If you're making a lot or just want to keep them for a little, a 200-degree oven will help. These are great with mustard. Or if you want a more Asian twist to these Irish egg rolls, try my Guinness teriyaki dipping sauce. Bonus recipe time. Start with about a half cup of Guinness, and you want to reduce that in a saucepan till it's about a quarter cup. Then add a quarter cup of soy sauce and a few tablespoons of brown sugar, just 1 tablespoon at a time, and whisk it in. Give it a taste. It'll be hot, but give it a taste. And if you want it a little sweeter, just add another tablespoon and whisk that in. Once you're good with the sweetness to saltiness to Guinnessness level, let that bubble on medium heat for just about a minute. Then put it in a bowl for serving. Thanks for watching my take on Irish-Asian fusion. Leave a comment below if you tried the recipe, have any questions, or just want to say hey. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes coming soon.